Okay, so class, this is the fourth video and where you will understand that why did superpowers need to make alliances with smaller countries. See, there is a question that when US was so much strong, USSR was so much strong, both had nuclear weapons, that why they were asking smaller countries to join. See, smaller countries had their own reasons to join these superpowers. Why? Because they were getting military help, diplomatic help, protection from their neighbors. But why then superpowers needed to join the alliances? So there are few reasons. Okay, vital resources. So in from the smaller countries, they used to take vital resources like the oil and the minerals, obviously to make weapons, to run the economy, to prepare their military and everything. Okay, also territory from where the superpowers could launch their weapons and troops. The example is directly given here, Cuba. USSR actually used Cuba to arrange missiles around it so that it can wash away US. Okay, location, to spy each other. Like for example, if Cuba is here very close to US, so from Cuba the USSR can actually spy what is happening in US. Economic support, allies together could support and help pay military expenses. You all know that when there is a big war or rivalries, you need a lot of money. So sometimes these small units used to combine together and used to help the superpowers through military expense to meet their military expenses. Okay, the other is ideological reasons. Loyalty of allies lead to the winning of ideas. See, we have seen in this previous pages that both the US and USSR had their ideologies like democratic or capitalist and here socialist or communalism. So the allies were basically showing loyalties. All the allies in the USSR were basically following either communalism and socialism, and all the allies of US were basically following democratic and capitalist. So both of them wanted to show not just that they are supreme economically or in terms of military, they also wanted to show, see, our bloc is more stronger in terms of ideologies, democracy is more best, capitalism is more best, and the vice versa. Same did USSR wanted to show the world that see, communalism and socialism is more stronger and best ideologies to carry. Okay, now the next topic is arenas of the Cold War. Arenas, the areas of the Cold War, that is, it means that the areas where crisis and war occurred threatened to occur between the alliance system but did not cross certain limits, and there was no nuclear war और वर्ल्ड हॉस्टिलिटीज़. बेसिकली कोल्ड वॉर के टाइम पे बहुत सारे एरियाज़ में टेंशन था, बहुत सारे एरियाज़ में क्राइसिस था. तो वो सारे एरियाज़ जहाँ पे क्राइसिस था, ऑल दोज एरिया जहाँ पे डर भी था क्राइसिस होने का या अटैक होने का, या फिर वो सारे एरियाज़ लाइक द क्यूबन एरिया जहाँ पे एक्चुअली में वॉर होने वाला था बट वॉर ने उस हद तक अपनी लिमिट क्रॉस नहीं की एंड नो न्यूक्लियर वॉर एक्चुअली टुक प्लेस और वर्ल्ड पूरा हॉस्टाइल नहीं हुआ. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड द एरियाज ऑफ द कोल्ड वॉर. वो सारे एरियाज जहाँ पे कोई प्रॉब्लम चल रहा था, क्राइसिस था, या फिर डर था क्राइसिस हो जाएगा, या फिर जहाँ पे एक्चुअली में कुछ क्राइसिस हुआ भी बट उतना नहीं हुआ कि न्यूक्लियर वॉर हो जाए. ओके, so now these areas of the, so a few of them are mentioned here. Arenas of the Cold War are as follows: Cuban Missile, which I have already explained you, of 1962. Okay, the two superpowers came in direct confrontation in Korea, Berlin and Congo. Okay, and dates are mentioned here. Basically some kind of crisis were going here during the Cold War time, and both the superpowers were in confrontation with Korea, Berlin and Congo. Now what happened? What was the result of it? Many people died in Korea, Vietnam and Afghanistan. Okay, in some cases huge military builds-up were reported. Military build-up like for example, if too many people are died in Congo, so then after that what was the result? There was a lot of military gathered around Congo to give protection. Okay, and in some cases diplomatic communication between the superpowers could not be sustained and contributed to the misunderstanding. That is, see, if both the superpowers are confronting these countries, so obviously they will do a kind of communication a diplomatic communication wherein the things could be settled. So उससे क्या होता था, कभी कभार things settle होने के बजाय actually में misunderstanding create कर देती थी. Now during this whole process, okay, what happened, there was world which was divided between the US, there was world which was divided between the USSR. Now there must be some countries जिन्होंने किसी भी block को नहीं join किया. So these countries were basically the NAM countries, which is the non-aligned members. Okay, now what was this NAM? I will explain you in the other video. Thank you.